In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect SMS Magic with your 8x8 contact center instance for seamlessly syncing all business messaging and communications with your CRM data. To begin, navigate to the integration section within the SMS Magic application. Here, you will see the option to connect your 8x8 contact center instance with SMS Magic. To connect your 8x8 instance, enter your instance details such as the QID, API key, and optionally the tenant ID, and then click Connect. After successfully connecting, any new inbound messages received will be synced to the 8x8 contact center app. Agents assigned to the queue will be notified, and one of the agents can pick up the conversation and respond. While all of this interaction happens within the 8x8 contact center app interface, the messages are also synchronized into the SMS Magic app installed in your CRM. Within a CRM like Salesforce, agents can see the entire communication history through the SMS Magic Converse desk as well as in the record-level conversation view. This ensures a comprehensive and unified view of all customer interactions. Additionally, businesses can leverage their connected numbers for sending bulk messaging campaigns on a one-off and recurring basis. You can also throttle the pace of your outbound messages to prevent agents from being overwhelmed by too many inbound messages at once. For example, you can configure the campaign to send 50 messages every 15 minutes so your agents can manage responses more effectively. You can also use SMS Magic to automatically send notifications, reminders, and other types of business communication without manual intervention. Here's a quick summary of the key benefits. With the integration of SMS Magic and 8x8 Contact Center, you can enhance your customer communication strategy, streamline operations, and ensure all interactions are captured within your CRM. Thanks for watching.